Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Huobi wallet beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the Huobi wallet, begin by accessing the official app store on your device. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, navigate to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Huobi wallet and press search. Find the official Huobi wallet application in the search results. Ensure that the developer information matches that of Huobi Group. Tap on the Huobi wallet app icon. Click the Install button to begin downloading the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Huobi wallet application. You will be greeted with an introduction screen. Carefully read through the terms of service and privacy policy. Tap Agree to proceed if you accept the terms. Next, you will see options to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are a new user, select Create a new wallet. You will be prompted to set a secure password. Choose a strong password that you can remember. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again. You will then receive your backup recovery phrase. This recovery phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet. Write it down and store it in a safe place. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone. Once you have stored your recovery phrase, tap Next. You may be asked to verify your recovery phrase for security. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After verification, you will be taken to the main wallet interface. You can now explore features such as sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. To enhance security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This can be set up in the settings menu of the app. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Huobi wallet. You are now ready to manage your digital assets securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.